Today I'm going to show you how to put image between the tree and sky in Adobe Photoshop. First, let's make a copy of this background or subject layer by pressing Ctrl J. Let's name it Top Layer. Now go to Window and open your Channels panel. Select the blue channel. Just click and drag the blue channel into the new channel icon to create a duplicate copy of that channel. Go to Image, Adjustments, and open your Levels window. Now drag this top left slider to the right, until these trees turn black. And drag this right slider to the left, until the sky or background becomes white. Now let's zoom the image, and you can see here in the tree that there are areas of white color that didn't turn black. So now all we have to do to make it black is, let's open the brush tool from the toolbar. And brush preset picker at the top. Select the hard round brush. Make sure foreground color is black. Now paint only the areas on the tree that have white like this. Be careful, don't paint on the outside. When you're done, hold the Ctrl key, and click on the thumbnail of the blue channel copy to make a selection. Select the RGB channel. Once the selection is active, click on the mask icon to create a mask. Now let's disable this bottom or background layer. And as you can see here that the sky is selected and not the trees. So all we have to do to select the trees is, let's click on the mask of this top layer. Then go to Image, Adjustments, and Invert. To place your image, just go to File, and open your second image. From the toolbar, select the Object Selection tool. And under the mode, select Lasso. Create a loose selection around the plane to select it. Now select your Quick Selection tool from the toolbar. And drag it up onto the tab of the new background. Press Ctrl T to free transform. Adjust the size, angle, and position. Hit Enter on the keyboard. Drag the plane layer between the top and the background or bottom layer. Now let's enable this background layer. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.